Welcome back to our channel Promarkit. Today, we're diving into the world of cleaning power with our top picks for the best electric pressure washers in 2023. Whether you're tackling stubborn grime, reviving your outdoor spaces, or simply looking for efficient cleaning solutions, we've got you covered. Join us as we unveil the contenders that have made it to the podium, showcasing their features, performance, and why they deserve a spot in your cleaning arsenal. Get ready to unleash the power of water and technology as we present the top 3 electric pressure washers for 2023. Shopping with Promarkit Us. Let's start with our top picks. Get efficient and versatile cleaning with the Joe electric pressure washer. It has a powerful motor that produces strong water flow, up to 2030 psi, for various tasks like cleaning homes, vehicles, decks, driveways, and more. It even holds 2 detergent tanks for different cleaning jobs. The pump has a smart feature that turns it off when not in use, saving energy and extending its lifespan. Make sure everything is properly connected for the washer to work effectively. Greenworks 2000 Max PSI. Change the way your cars, fences, patios, and driveways look using this strong pressure washer. It has a powerful spray that can remove dirt and grime and make your surfaces clean again. The long 25-foot hose lets you reach far without losing power, and the 35-foot cord with safety feature allows you to plug it in outside. You can also use soap for cleaning by connecting another hose. It's a versatile tool for medium jobs. This electric pressure washer is certified to give good results. Westinghouse WPX3200. Get powerful cleaning with the Westinghouse 3200 PSI gas pressure washer. It's great for cleaning decks, sidewalks, siding, fences, and more. With 3200 PSI and 2.5 GPM, it easily removes dirt. Switch between water and soap with the half-gallon soap tank. The 25-foot hose and lightweight spray gun help you reach everywhere. It's tough with a steel frame and easy to move with never flat wheels. Clean quickly with the Westinghouse 3200 PSI gas pressure washer. These best electric pressure washers of 2023 are great for all sorts of cleaning jobs. They're powerful, versatile, and easy to use. Whether it's outdoor surfaces, cars, or tough tasks, they've got you covered. Just pick the one that suits you best, and you'll have a top-notch cleaning tool. Keep your spaces clean with these advanced pressure washers. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaning.